Hey guys, it's Steph. So in today's video, I thought it'd be super fun to do a whole bunch of like TikTok inspired DIYs. Okay, ignore this angle. I'm wearing my tie-dye set right now and I don't want to show you guys it like before I get done. So that's what this angle is. But I was gonna make a whole video where I'm doing like a bunch of different DIYs, like bleaching my jeans, tie-dye, collage wall, stuff like that. Not this collage wall, a different one. But I decided that I would just make that separate videos. I don't really know if I want to ruin a whole pair of jeans because like knowing me it wouldn't work out. So I decided that I would just make this video my tie-dye set, so that's what's up and let's get started. So I'm super excited to be filming this video because I love doing like arts and crafts and things like that. And I just think it's super fun to watch. So I like watching videos kind of similar to this. So if you guys are excited, stay tuned. Alrighty, so the first DIY we're going to be doing is my tie-dye set. I've seen these all over the internet on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, literally everywhere, but they're so expensive. 60 bucks for like a little hoodie you can buy at the thrift store. So I decided to just buy my own supplies and make it myself. Number one, it gives me something to do over this like quarantine and also is probably a lot cheaper. So what I'm using to make this tie-dye set is obviously a white pair of sweatpants. These are joggers from Misguided. I'm pretty sure I got them on sale possibly. I think they were like 20 something dollars, but they're actually such good quality and I literally need to go online and order more because these are probably the best sweatpants I've ever bought. They are one size too big, which I don't know why I thought they were gonna be more fitted, but they're super baggy and loose, which I'm not sure if I'm a fan of. And then I also just have a white crew neck, but this one's from Amazon. I got this in a men's extra large because I thought I wanted like the oversized look, but I really just don't. So I might in the end up cropping this, but also at the same time, I'm not nifty like that. I don't know if I'm gonna mess it up because it's like really big. Like I'm tall, I'm 5'10", and it's like this on me. You also obviously have the dye. So I ordered this dye from like rickdye.com or whatever. It was literally sold out like everywhere else. I got the dye in the petal pink color. I knew I wanted a pink set because I love the color pink. It is my favorite color in case you're wondering. I'm not really sure what this actual shade of pink looks like, so like you couldn't really tell on the website. This dye was so overpriced. It was like, I don't know, something like $5 for like the actual dye, which I guess is like fine. To ship it, it was like $10. So basically I paid for 3 dyes and I only got 1. So super fun. And last but not least, I just have rubber bands. I honestly have no idea how to make a tie-dye set or tie-dye something, so I'm gonna look up a YouTube video to find out how, and then I'm gonna come back. Oh, I don't have a spray bottle. I have an idea. This is so ratchet, but I have an idea I could do. So I'm thinking I have this Mario Badescu bottle. I'm just gonna pour out all this Mario Badescu. I don't use it, so like I'm not mad about it, but I might just pour it into like a separate cup. All right, so I'm gonna go downstairs, get everything ready, and then I'll come back. I also have to clean off my SD card because it's very full, so we're gonna do that and see you later. Okay, so I found a plastic cup I'm just gonna use because I feel like it's gross putting it in like a real cup, even though you wash it, whatever. Also, let's not look at my nails because I was gonna paint them beforehand, but I would paint them white, and then they would get dyed pink, so I decided that would not be the best option. Anyways, I'm scared someone's gonna think it's like mouthwash and drink it. Oh my god, it actually smells like it would taste good, but we're not gonna experiment today. I'm gonna go through and wash this out really quick. Alright, the bottle has been filled up, or cleaned out, and then the girl also like diluted her dye, which I like the color that hers kind of turned out. I'm terrified of this dye. I need gloves, but do we own gloves? No. I think I'm just gonna like do everything with like plastic bags on my hands. And then also they said to do it like over a garbage bag. I'm just gonna go outside and do it honestly because I'm scared of messing up my kitchen and getting literally screamed at. Okay, so I just filled up my bottle like 3/4 with water. It's a very small bottle, so I'll probably have to like fill it up again after. But we're gonna start doing the dye. I'm wearing all purple, not because I like the color purple, but because I don't care if this stuff gets dirty. This is already tie-dyed and these shorts are like too small, so cool. Oh, my butt's sore. Maybe it's sore from throwing it back. I'm gonna need to place this ratchet paper towel I just found. Okay, maybe we should use the garbage bag. Here's our bottle. Here's our dye. It looks super dark. Maybe I'm gonna do this over the sink. Maybe I should bring you guys along. Why am I like scared? Ooh, she pink. She really pink. Okay, this is not the color I thought it was gonna be. This is like prune, like purple. So we're gonna add some more water. All right, this is the color it is now. It's not the cutest, but I think we can work with it. I'm gonna do like a spray test on like a paper towel because I feel like that's like kind of similar. Oh no. That's so cute. It's actually really light. This is definitely dyeing my hands. Okay, cool, love that. Oh yeah, I like this better. It's a little bit darker. It's kind of pomegranate-y, which I don't know how I feel about, but you know what? It's okay. I set up a little station outside on my little patio with just like the garbage bag, the dye, and the like diluted dye. So you have to like get your clothes damp, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna have to like get it and like run, because like if the floor gets wet, like I'm not cleaning it up and yeah. I'm gonna take my sweatshirt. I'm gonna do this one first because I feel like the sweatpants are more like valuable. Like I need to like actually make them look good because they're more expensive. So I'm gonna take my sweatshirt, ball it all up, get it like drenched. Okay, not drenched. I'm gonna get it pretty like damp and then throw it outside on the garbage bag. Oh, I'm getting water everywhere. Okay, this is like wet, so we're gonna bring it out. You know what? I just had a realization outside. We're gonna do one piece at a time. I'm gonna dye the sweatshirt first and then, that didn't sound good. It didn't hurt though, so it's fine. I'm gonna dye the sweatshirt first and then do the sweatpants after, just cause like I don't want them both wet right now. For some reason that's like stressing me out because we don't have that much room to work with here. I'm not doing like a specific pattern. I'm just like gonna go for it and just like scrunch it up wherever I feel like it. So it doesn't have to be like in a certain orientation. I'm just gonna like go like that, I guess. I don't know. Okay, these rubber bands don't stretch. This is not gonna work. This is what we're working with right now. My battery's also about to die, so that's super cute. I literally just took a shower, but we're over it. Now we're going to just put the dye on. I'm not wearing gloves because I decided I just don't care at this point. I kind of wish I had multiple colors. That would be so fun if I had like, I don't know, like something more fun. Okay, this is stupid. I think I just want to pour the dye right on it. We're gonna be spontaneous. This could mess up the entire thing. And we're just gonna like pour the dye on it. I think that's not what you're supposed to do. No, you're definitely not. We're just gonna stick with this. Okay, I'm gonna finish this and then come back because my battery doesn't really have that much space. And I feel like recording things just like stressing me out, but I'll take a picture when it's done. We're sticking with the phone for now because it's just way less stressful and the battery's not gonna die. So this is what it looks like right now. I really like how it looks. I like how there's like a light pink, then like a dark pink, and I tried to like get it in the insides because I feel like that's gonna be like all white and that's not cute. Okay, are my hands being dyed? Yes. And I think you're just supposed to put this in like a plastic bag for like overnight or something. So I'm gonna do that. Or maybe I'll just wait till tonight because I'm impatient, but I'm gonna bag this up really quick. I couldn't find like a shopping bag. I don't know where my dad like keeps them because I just don't pay attention enough. But I'm just gonna put it in here. I feel like at summer camp, like they always use these bags, so it's kind of the same thing. Okay, that doesn't fit. It's gonna be a little bit suffocated, but I think that's good. Okay, cool. See you later, sister. Basically, I'm just gonna repeat those steps for the jogger. Ew, my hands. Bro, this is not good. Watch them be two different shades of pink. That's gonna be not the best case scenario, buddy.
I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide.
I realized that this dye is definitely darker than the other one. When I went to like pour this bottle like straight onto it, it is definitely a little bit darker. And also I like opened up like inside the rubber bands, like all that's like white, which is an issue. I don't think that's supposed to happen because I'm nervous that like one half like the sweatpants gonna be dyed and the other half's just gonna be solid white. It's gonna look super crusty. I can always probably like re-dye it and stuff, but I don't really want to do that, so I'm probably gonna open up that bag and like reach in like little crevices, like, okay, I don't like that word, like reach in like the insides and like pour some dye on it, just because number one, I want the pinks to match, and number two, I just think that I didn't do that and I should have. So cool. Okay, I thought of an idea that's actually like low-key intellectually smart. Why not just put the stuff in this bag? This, I can just tie it shut and that way they'll be like together, like conjoined twins. So like maybe the dye will like bleed off from one onto the other and they'll actually be the same shade of pink. Also just because I, again, cannot find shopping bags and the Ziploc is not big enough. Oh my God, look at my hands. Dude, someone's gonna think I like burned myself. Let's do that. The floor do be pretty slippery though. I'm gonna pop this bad boy in and we'll put this one in and we'll tie it up tight, squeeze all the air out. I guess I'll just like fold this over like this and I'll just keep these outside until like tonight. My hands kind of burn, like the white part right there, like you can see like the blood flow just like isn't there. So I mean that's a little bit of an issue, but other than that, I think this is gonna be so cool, and I really think that I like kind of popped off and like actually did it correctly. I'm not gonna wait overnight. Well, I guess maybe I should. Set an alarm for 8:30 p.m. tonight, tie-dye set.
Okay, here's your alarm.
Gang gang. I am just gonna pour out this Mario Badescu because that's not very sanitary to put pink dye on your face, so rest in peace. I just lost about $7 there. And then I guess we'll just see you guys like later on. Sorry that this angle sucks. I don't have a tripod here with me, so we have limited options, but I'm gonna clean this out and then I guess we'll just see you guys next time I do something. Okay, so it's now 9:20 and I'm gonna get ready to like finish my tie-dye set. I should probably leave it to like set longer, but I mean, honestly, if it like all washes out, I can always like re-dye it. So I'm gonna head outside and get my little ratchet trash bag situation. Oh my God, wait, it actually looks good. I think this is the sweatshirt. These are the joggers. These ones don't seem to have as much dye on it, but I mean, honestly, it's fine. My hands still hurt because when I didn't use gloves, they turned so dry, and then I had to use my dad's like crusty like eczema cream on my hands because they hurt so bad. So I'm just gonna take off all the rubber bands and then wash out all the dye that's like here, I guess. I hope it doesn't not work. I think this is gonna be dope. It looks so good. No! The whole butt is like white. That's not cute. The front is so cute. No! I'm so sad. The whole butt is white. I think these are gonna be good. Because this one, like, I went off with the dye. Oh my God, I'm scared. No! Okay, what? No! I'm so sad. The back looks dope. The front is white. What do I do? Do I like re-dye it? I guess I'm just gonna re-dye it. The back looks so sick though. Like perfect. I guess I'm just gonna re-dye everything, but that might like mess up the current dye. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, there's music playing in the back, but I'm debating just like pouring the dye right on. This dye is like messed up. You know what? Let's just, whoop. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Okay, we're gonna need some help here. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day, and I'm so excited to go downstairs and check on my tie-dye set. My family's like eating breakfast and stuff downstairs, so I'm not gonna like just like rip up the camera like when they're in the kitchen trying to do things. So I'm just gonna bring my tie-dye set upstairs to like my little bathroom. I think that I didn't need to like just pour the dye straight on. I probably should have diluted it, but it's okay. We've secured the bag. Now let's head in the bathroom. Ooh! Oh my God. This looks sick. Okay, yeah, I'm excited for this. I'm gonna clean the sink really quick. Okay, we have a nice clean sink, so now I'm gonna just like take off all the rubber bands and we can see how this looks. I'm telling you, this looks sick. Oh my God, I love it. This is what the joggers look like. That is sick. You can definitely see like in the crotch areas like where I just like poured the dye straight on, but I think it looks so good. I love the back too. This is what the sweatshirt looks like. These are so sick. Now I'm just gonna like wring this out in the sink and like try to like squeeze out as much dye as I can, because like that's what the lady said to do. In this bathroom, it's definitely not meant for filming because it's like 2 by 2 feet, so I'll see you guys after I do that, and I'm just gonna pop in the wash probably. I decided that this would just be way easier to film on my phone because the camera's just like kind of bulky and there's not much room like in my bathroom or in the laundry room, so I'm just gonna head in the laundry room. I like wrung out the clothes as much as I could. I literally just like pushed on them like in the water. And I know I'm supposed to do a cold cycle. The girl put in like 1 Tide Pod and she had like put as much detergent as you want, but I don't know how many Tide Pods like normally go in. So I'm just gonna pour like a little bit of detergent because like it's not dirty, so I guess it doesn't matter. Okay, it's been a few hours now. I don't know why I did not film the entire video right here because the lighting's good and we're just, okay. I'm gonna head in the laundry room and get my set and do like a little try on and then show you guys. And I'm gonna take some Instagram pictures of my bed because like pink and like pink, so like pink vibes, like all the pink vibes. Bro, it looks so good. Wow, okay. This is me in a sweatsuit. I'm shook. I am shook beyond belief. This is way better than I could have ever imagined. I'm so happy. And then here are the joggers, pretty much the same thing. And the shades of pink actually match perfectly, which I'm super excited about. And now I'm gonna do a little try on for you guys. And I hope that it shrunk a little bit in the wash because the joggers were like a little bit too big. A sweatshirt can never be too big, but like the joggers like a little bit too big. So hopefully they shrunk, and if they didn't, I can always just put them in again, like after I wear them, obviously. Let's do a try on. You cannot tell me this isn't cute. Like, I'm sorry, but like, this is literally my biggest flex that I did a tie-dye set. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I was gonna make like a whole series of like me doing TikTok DIYs, but I might just make this its own video because I really think that it has enough footage and it's really fine. So if you guys enjoyed, give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below if you could tie-dye something, what color would you tie-dye it? I definitely want to do another one in the future that's kind of different, like, I don't know, like teal or something. I think that could be super dope. Or even like green, like neon ass green. That's a look. Subscribe below if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time I upload. Peace out. We freaking did this. So proud.